morning, you guys. We are currently in Southern California's beautiful Santa Paula Canyon, and we have a really fun adventure planned for today. So we are hiking out to the Santa Paula waterfalls and punch bowls.
You guys might know that California has been buried under an avalanche of snow. So the Sierra is still under extreme avalanche danger, but where one door closes, another opens. Extreme precipitation means that the waterfalls and river should be roaring. So we will have a lot of river crossings today and climbing up some waterfalls. And I imagine we will get quite wet and possibly do some swimming.
Maybe.
Should be a really good adventure.
Really excited.
Well, a little over a mile in, the trail splits and we decided to take the western side, which our beta said was the more challenging. But honestly, it's great. It's not challenging at all. It's just, you have a few obstacles to go up and over.
Super fun.
Always fun watching Elise negotiate obstacles.
Hey.
Oh, Elise. You're not stuck, just leap it. Leap it to the rock right down here. Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
No way.
Leap.
No way.
Leap, Elise.
No.
You got this.
Do it.
Elise, you got it. Yay. You made it.
Not a good leaper.
That was a great leap.
Oh my gosh, you guys. So I finally broke down and got Adam a nice pair of water shoes for Christmas because you guys know I could not stand those wacky banana boat water shoes that he loved so much from before. But Adam, being Adam, came out this morning wearing toe socks with his water shoes. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not convinced about the toe sock water shoe vibe, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Oh my gosh, the terrible toe socks are coming off.
These toe socks are helpful. They prevent me from getting blisters, but I don't want them to get wet because then it'll be even worse.
All right, well, at least the ensemble is slightly better now.
Do you think the white feet are better than the toe socks?
It might be just all bad options for us, just all bad.
Some people want to walk alone to heaven's gate. I wanna run with you, I wanna hear you say that you will wait, that you'll take me to. I would spend purgatory waiting there for you.
All right, well, we made it to our first
waterfall, Elise.
Oh my god, it's so icy. When you get really close, it starts like pulling you in. So I got a little scared.
That is just the first of many dips we'll be taking today.
Yeah. I'm excited. You got a lot more to explore.
A lot more to explore. Let's get on it.
Okay, well, that waterfall is where most hikers will usually stop and turn around. But legend has it that you can actually continue on past the waterfall to try to find some awesome plunge pools, water slides. There's very little beta, so we kind of have no idea what we're doing. We're just gonna adventure and try to find it.
Yeah, we do have a GPS track that we're gonna try to follow, but it looks like we're gonna be climbing up some kind of almost off-trail stuff.
Yeah.
But if we can get up to these water slides, it should be very cool.
Well, it's been basically all bushwhacking from this point on, and Adam's opting just to go directly up the creek bed because why not?
Well, there was apparently a use trail, but our crappy navigational abilities meant that we left it behind long ago. And we are now just boulder scrambling up the creek.
Oh my god.
The good news about that is we will be the only ones doing this. The bad news is it's really, really hard.
So hard. What are we doing?
But it shouldn't be more than about a mile of jumping over boulders and wading through rapids until we get up to the bowls. And we know the creek must lead to the bowls, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, you know, we'll see what happens.
And we'll find heaven together, or not at all. We will find, I'm so high. We will find,
Well, this is gorgeous. Punch bowl number 1. Not the water slide one, however.
No.
So we are gonna keep heading upwards.
Yes.
Well, guys, we are completely cliff bonked. Where we want to be is down there in the ravine somehow. I don't know how we got away from it so fast,
I don't know what we did wrong.
but we're gonna go back down and see if we can find our way up. Do we have to climb directly up the waterfall? Is that possible?
Maybe we have to go up the waterfall or like around it somehow?
We're very confused, but we're gonna try to find our way.
Confusing.
So we have to try to go right next to the waterfall, which is really, really hard in river shoes. They do not have good grip. Quite likely we're just gonna plunge right into the falls. You got it, Elise. Some incredibly thoughtful person has put a rope here to hang on to.
Yes. It's
Which
awesome.
is really nice.
Yeah.
It's slick as snot.
Yeah. You got it. Almost fell in.
There, you got it. Come on, Elise. You got it. Yes.
Yeah.
It's really challenging
Wow.
to climb in these river shoes
Yeah.
because they have no grip.
Yeah.
They're so unlike what I'm used to.
Whoa.
It's like rock,
Oh my
and
god.
I'm just falling everywhere.
Maybe you can just go directly up and over. What do you think?
I don't think I can go direct over. I'm gonna have to
Shoot,
do
okay.
some kind of a span.
Okay.
See?
Oh my god, those river shoes are just impossible.
Ah, there we go. I went with the top of the shoe.
Oh my god.
That worked.
Whoa. Good job.
You got it, Elise. You got it. Good job.
and we may fly much too close to the sun. We'll go to heaven together, my love, and we may fall from above after all. But if we fall, it's together, my love.
All right, you guys. Well, we definitely spotted the water slide, and it does look really sketchy.
It looks really sketchy.
But Adam is convinced that we need to go check it out. So We're gonna try to make our way over there and see what happens.
This is one of those times you wish there was someone else around so you could see them go down it, and then you know it's safe.
For sure.
I have no idea if it's safe or I'm gonna rip a hole in my butt. Okay, you guys, we have arrived at the water slide. I'm sure you can see why it's called that. It looks like a giant water slide. Now, you couldn't actually slide the whole thing because the rough rocks would rip you to pieces.
Yeah.
But we have heard that you can slide the bottom part.
Yeah.
However, we haven't really seen it done. So it's a dicey proposition at best.
I'm sending you out first. Test the waters.
All right, I'm gonna try it. It will not be warm. Looks like there's a bump at the bottom that could be pretty painful. But it does look fun.
Yeah?
I gotta say.
You want to try it?
I think I'm gonna try it.
He's going, he's going. Oh! Oh!
All right, guys, and now for the shot you've all been waiting for. Elise is gonna go. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Live hard. Live hard, live hard, live harder. 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 Live hard,
Go, Elise! Whoa! How'd that feel?
Oh, that is icy cold.
I'm frozen enough.
Wow.
We're a little bit chilly.
But we can't resist a freaking icy winter like water slide.
I can't believe how many times I went down that slide. It was so fun. I was like just shivering by the end.
I'm just like so cold, kind of delirious right now.
All right, we're gonna get all dried off, and then it's still gonna stay with us, guys. It's gonna be a pretty zesty descent down this thing.
Yeah, gotta get down in one piece.
another day, another way. You say you're slowly dying. I'm here to stay with you tonight. And we are gonna fight the dying light until we're one day flying. And you are gonna fight the dying.
Oh my goodness, it's a monumental moment. Adam is doing the crab walk, you guys.
It's slippery, right?
Slippery, oh my gosh. Whoa. We've already managed to get ourselves off trail. The trail is somehow all the way down there. And we have no idea how we managed to get ourselves all the way up here. What do you see? Can we get down that way?
I think we can make it down this.
Are you sure?
Well, I don't really know.
I don't know either. I don't know. Looks really sketch.
I'm gonna help you climb down it.
Okay.
You know how to do it. 3 points of contact. You're gonna come right down that little ridge and have handholds. You gotta face the mountain though. You can't come down it butt sliding.
I don't have any handholds though.
Yeah, there are. There's plenty of handholds if you face the mountain. That's it. Good handholds, good footholds. 3 points of contact all the time. Yeah, you got it. That's it. You got it. You're not stuck. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'm gonna help you.
Oh my gosh. That really scary. Whoa. That was definitely not the trail.
Little class 5 offshoot trail.
Would you say that's class 5?
That little part was, yeah.
Oh, my heart is like not okay.
We were a little cold until that class 5 down climb. And now we are both warm as heck.
My heart rate is going, I'm feeling it.
I was sweating a little bit.
Yeah.
But boy, the off-trail adventure really warms you up.
And do you see when you turn to me that I'm not crying? And do you see when you turn to me I'm falling, flying? When you're on your way, know just what to say. Down, told you not to play. This is not a game. Down,
Please fall, please fall, please fall. Dang it. Oh my gosh, well, that was one crazy fun adventure. Despite losing the trail numerous times, we did in fact make it to the Santa Paula Punch Bowls and Waterfall. What a fun day.
It was really, really fun. I haven't had that much fun in a long time. I do want to give a shout out to all of you guys who are snowed in and iced in at home. You guys write to us. We know where you live and we know how lucky we are to live in Southern California. We're feeling very blessed today. The water was extremely cold, but the day is beautiful.
So true. Let us know what you guys think. I am curious if any of you guys would have either jumped in the waterfall or slid down the water slide.
Oh, I want to know that too. Remember, the water was cold, but I bet some of you guys would have done it, or maybe you have done it. Please let us know.
Hope you guys had fun with us today, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time out on the trail.
fire.